Good morning. Today is July 4th, 2022, and I'm at Branson, and we will be running the 10K today. And so let's see how we do. I'm gonna go up and warm up a little bit and then see how I feel today. All right, bye. Alright, I finished the warm-up, did a little bit of 5K, around 26 minutes, and then I'm gonna go pick up my bib number, and then just stretch and get ready for the race around 7:30. Alright, bye! I got my bib and I'm about to race now. It's warm, but let's see how it goes. Bye!